Ray.
Okay, good morning. Ida?
Good afternoon, sir.
Ina.
Sir, are you disappointed dun sa naging bilang po ng casualties so far kay
Kung
Pablo?
compare natin sa Sendong, laki naman yata ng diferensya yung casualties natin dito. No? Pero any single casualty is a cause for distress. Yung parati natin hanapin, pwede ba nabawasan pa to? No, parang, well, the count is about 70 right now. No? Si Secretary Rojas actually is in Mindanao at the present time. Yung gusto natin malaman, circumstances of, for instance, yung Army na unit, no? Bakit sila naka-base sa nagkaroon ng flash flood? May report on evacuation center na nadali rin na flash flood. Yung I've been asking Secretary Monteo, for instance, sa DOST, to assess whether or not this was one of the danger areas already identified. We will always try to seek better and better performances. No? But I really think, so far, wala pa tayong talagang substantial do sa seafaring, well, seacraft. No? Mukha naman naging effective ang Coast Guard in preventing the possibility of any serious calamity happening. So, malayo tayo sa Sendong, laki ng inasenso, gumana yung mga sensors na nakabit na ng Project NOAA, especially for Iligan and Cagayan. It's still an ongoing project. Sinabi naman na medyo matatagalan yung 18 river basins na dapat i-monitor. But again, any single casualty is a cause of distress.
Sir, kasama po ba sa instructions ninyo kay Secretary Mar ang pagtukoy kung meron pong dapat managot or kung may pagkukulang?
Siyempre, tinitingnan muna, nandito pa yung bagyo eh. Unahin na muna natin kaya manigurado na kung meron kailangan pa ma-rescue, na-re-rescue, na-asikaso yung evacuation centers. Tapos may assessment na ongoing rin na yung mga previously parang less risky, baka naman na-inundate ng tubig ngayon at naging very risky. So may ongoing reassessment ng areas na as their potential for to be a dangerous place. So ongoing rin yun. Maraming priority at saka na siguro yung kung may nagkulang.
Sir, last na lang po. Would you say that Pag-asa's forecast, sir, was accurate because some say na instead of making landfall in Hinatuan, it seems na mas tinamaan daw po yung Davao Oriental?
Huwag natin kalimutan, bagyo to, no? Hindi lang nagmamaneho. At kaya nga hourly yung ginagawa nating advisories dahil pwede nga pumihit. No? Malayong-malayo naman siguro ang diferensya nung nag-umpisa tayo dito na sinabing nasa Aurora, na nasa hilagang parte ng Luzon, tapos tumahak ng Southern Tagalog at saka Metro Manila. Medyo malayo yung difference nun. Dito naman, at nung nagsalita ko sa inyo sa araw, binanggit ko nga na walang driver ang bagyo, kaya mag-monitor tayo, baka nagbabago.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Benji, liwanag, DCWB.
Sir, magandang umaga po.
Naman.
Sir, yung 42 million pesos, sapat na po ba dun sa magpapalabas pa rin po tayo?
There is at least 8 billion, no?
Okay.
This is 4 point something billion on the calamity fund, and another 3 point, it's basta it totals 4. I just want to be precise now. It totals 8 rather. 8 billion na ready. These are yung revenue from unexpected sources. This is with the sale of the FTI. So Secretary Abad informed me last night that there is at least 8 billion ready to take care of all of the expenses necessary here and also the necessary emergency infrastructure, mga roads that were closed, etc., the damages. There is sufficient funds at this point in time.
Personally, bibisitahin ho ba ninyo yung mga apektado nila,
Yes.
sir?
Yung when, I will have to ask the team that is planning. But I really want to go to Compostela Valley and Davao Oriental.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Last question from TJ Borgonyo, Inquirer.
Hi, sir. Sir, how soon will we name our next ambassador to China? Yusek Basilio has been floated as a replacement. For
Well, as soon as
ambassador.
we will submit her name to the Commission on Appointments once they confirm, no, and therefore we can seek the French term is agrément, no, parang the agreement for the designation of Yusek Basilio as our new ambassador to China.
So you're confirming it's
Yes, yes.
Ambassador Basilio. Sir, what were the main considerations for your appointing?
Yung
Yusek
basically
Basilio?
the high recommendations by our Secretary of Foreign Affairs, no, given her wealth of experience, given that she's already the senior undersecretary, no, parang that sends a signal of how important our relations are with China and how serious we are of trying to achieve parang an understanding with them.
The appointment will be made when, sir? This
Well,
week?
I'm awaiting the papers from the Executive Secretary's office.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.